Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing, bagging our last Slay Glam bag of 2023. Now, I have to admit, still disappointed that they've gotten rid of the bag. I loved that bag. I was hoping that we'd still get one, but nonetheless. So for those of you who are not familiar with the Slay Glam bag, I will leave all the information down below. And if you would like to check it out for yourself, make sure you click in the link below. Okay, so let's just go ahead. When I say it's not in the bag that it came in before, I'll see if I can find a picture and I'll put it up here so you can see it. Okay, so I really do want to tell you that I am excited immensely about something that's in this bag. Okay, because, well, the Slay Glam box, okay, featured this month, okay, because it is one of our own. But okay, let's jump into the bag, and then when we get to it, I'll let you know. Okay, so the first item, now Slay Glam bag does, or Slay Glam box does not have a description card either. So we're going to have to kind of wing it. And then I will get all of the pricing information and put it down below. Okay. So I'm really excited about this because I'm so happy for her. So the first item that we have is an ultra fine eyeliner, and it's by Italio, okay, and this is Italia Deluxe is the company, okay, and the shade that I have is 1004, which is white, okay, and this one is a cruelty-free product. It is a 1.5 gram size, and let's see what kind of expiration date it has. Well, it looks like it has a 6-month shelf life. Okay, now let me just show you what it looks like. This is the pencil right here. Here is the name. Okay, and this is what the shade looks like. Okay, now y'all know we swatch at the end, you know, so we keep from making a mess all over everything. So that is item number 1, okay? And like I said, I will get the pricing information. I will list it down below what the price for each item is. The next item that we have is by Amoras, okay? And this one is the Jello Shots eyeshadow. This is what the outside packaging looks like, which is really rather cute. Really rather cute, okay? And this one has a, let's see, a 12-month shelf life. It is a cruelty-free product. It is vegan. And let's just see what the inside looks like. Now, the shade that I have is called Aqua. Okay, all right. And this is what that shade looks like. This is the inside packaging, of course. All right, let's just pop it open right here. Well, it is vacuum sealed, but I'm sure you can see the shade that way. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that one is item number 2. Item number 3, I have several of these. Love, love, love them. Okay, this is by the company St. Lux, and it is a limited edition liner duo. Okay, let's see what the shades are that we have. As we're checking for that, this one is also a cruelty-free product, And let's see what type of shelf life it has. It has a 9-month shelf life. Okay, and the shades that I have are Secret, Admirer, and Love Letter. Okay, oh wow. And guess what? You can't even see what the shades look like. I'm going to have to sharpen them before you're actually able to see them. Okay, however, I will tell you, you can look at the bottom of each of the pencils, and that one will give you the exact shade. Okay, one looks more like a brown, and the other one is like a reddish brown. Okay, so that one is the next item. So that one is item number 3. Then we have item number 4, which is a pear. Okay, and these, oh my god, they go so well with these particular liners. But this one is by the company Manicadar. Okay, and their statement is beauty simplified. And these are lip glosses. Oh, it says priming gloss stain. Okay, and here are what they look like. Okay, and the shades are Shea and Petal Pink. This one is Shea. This one is Petal Pink. Okay, and like I said, we will swatch them in a little bit so you'll get to see exactly what they look like. Okay, so now let's just talk about this for 1 second. The next item that we have is a palette. And this one is a collab with Just Ann. Okay, I made sure that I was getting my Slay Glam bag. I am supporting my girl. I appreciate her so very much. We would talk if I had an issue with some things that I needed an opinion on. She was one of the ones that I did call, and I want you to know I appreciated that, and very much. Okay, this is Slay Glam Box presents Just Ann in collaboration with Saints, Angels, and Sinners, and this is the Snow Globe palette. Okay, this one is also a cruelty-free product. It has a 12-month shelf life. And let's see exactly what it looks like. Of course, that was the outer packaging. The inside looks exactly the same, and these shades are gorgeous. It does have a mirror, so we're going to cover the mirror, and we are going to take a look at these gorgeous shades. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, and you did your thing, girl. You did your thing. Some of the shade names are Ethereal, Vixen, Grace, Angelic, Miracle, Frost, Celestial, and then there are 5 additional ones that I did not call as of yet, okay? But they are gorgeous. So, did you get this much? Are we supporting our girl here? Come on, y'all. I know that on her site, it is sold out. If you try to reach out to Ann, she's going to tell you it's sold out, you know, and I'm not sure if Slay Glam Box has any left either, okay? So if not, you're just going to have to live vicariously through the rest of us in hopes that they will bring it back, okay? So since we are at the end, we are going to start swatching. So since I have this in my hand, I'm going to swatch. Well, let me just tell you, there are some shimmers, some mattes. Oh, duochrome this looks like. Oh, and they are just gorgeous. But okay, nonetheless, so what we'll do, we're going to swatch Grace, Frost. Ooh, boy, that is gorgeous. Miracle. And I think Bliss. Okay, this is what the shades look like here. We're going to go ahead and swatch them right across. Oh my goodness. And this is just one pass. And they are beautiful. Look at that. Oh, they are absolutely beautiful. Okay, so the one at the top is Bliss. The second one is Frost. The third one is Grace. And the fourth one is Miracle. Okay. Amazing. We're just going to give credit where credit is due. Boy, that is just beautiful. That Frost is a duochrome. Look at that. You see that shift? Just beautiful. Okay. Of course, we cannot swatch our liners right now because they have to be sharpened, but I am pretty sure that we will be using them soon. Okay, and of course this is stark white here. There you go, right there. And then let's do Manicadar. This one is Shea that we're swatching here. Okay. This one is more of a gloss than the other, and this is the pink shade, the one on the bottom. Okay? Definitely more of a gloss. Then, of course, guess we're going to have to take it out, but this one is Jello shots. And in all honesty, I probably don't necessarily have to do it because it is, well, in the jar, it looks like this. So I guess that's all the more reason to swatch it so we can see just how close to this it is. And I'm going to grab a brush. So we're going to go ahead and swatch it. What do you think? That is really pretty. It is close, but not quite. Not quite. Okay, so here are all of our swatches. What do you think? Okay, I am quite, I'm pleased with this one. As you can tell, this is another all makeup box. This is actually an all makeup subscription, which I really do like. You know, I have so much skincare, so much. Now, I'm not giving up on it because that's something I will always use. However, I have found some products that have really worked wonderfully for me. So if that means I stick with those from here on out until other companies decide to send me something else, so be it, you know. But as we stand right now, this one, the Slay Glam box, is a all makeup box at a wonderful price. So check it out down below. Now that you've seen everything that was in the box, we have, of course, Just Ann collabing with Saints, Angels, and Sinners. We have the Jello shots. We have Manicadar. We have St. Lux. And we even have Itolia, okay, which is this one right here. So let me know your thoughts. Are you a subscriber? What did you think? Have you created your looks as of yet? I really would love to see what you came up with. And I am truly feeling this purple and green. I think that's going to be the look that I work with first. It's just gorgeous to me. I love that combination. Okay, these two right here. Yeah, those are gorgeous. So, but we'll see what we come up with. All right. So, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox our last Slay Glam box for 2023. Okay, now these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer's suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed. Okay, now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.